Now we're taking this deed here. We had the seller sign yesterday. We reinstated their loan this morning. Now we're gonna go deed the property, which is gonna put it in our name since we caught it up. And then we will pay off the seller's loan here within the next 30 days, probably realistically within like the next 7 days when we sell the property and get paid. Bam, let's go to the courthouse here. I was kind of like coming downtown now. You know, any like big downtown, just got a cool element. You go to the court buildings, all the legal shit, stay. Been a while either. Good luck right here. These are all the foreclosure notices right here. You see, sheriff's office notice of sales. Choose one February 14th. That's today.
Are these mostly properties?
Yeah. Got like all the stuff for local, BK, motor, MVD, IRS, everything for Arizona. Oh, thanks, dude. Vehicle, corporate commission. Thank you. I think that's like a field trip for its own day though, to come down and like do all that marketing research. If it was like right here, I'd look real quick.